How to fix Huawei Nova 13 keeps crashing. So let's start the video. First of all, close all the background apps. After closing all the background apps, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on system and updates. Now on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.